How to use your Covinix wand. Point the Covinix wand's quartz emitter towards the object you wish to sterilize from a distance of 1 inch. For your safety and the safety of others, do not direct UVC light at your own or anyone else's face or body. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to activate the UVC LED light. The time display will read 0. Press and hold the T button to begin sterilizing for up to 60 seconds. Release the T button to turn Covinix off. For a 30-second sterilization period, just tap the T button. Each additional tap adds 10 seconds, with a maximum of 90 seconds of sterilization. Covinix will automatically turn off when the sterilization period is complete and can be safely stored in the included carrying bag. Plug the charging cord into the port at the base of your Covinix wand to recharge when needed. After sterilization is complete, rest assured that your items and surfaces are clean and safe. Personal, powerful, portable protection. Covinix. Peace of mind.